Hi everybody, my name is Coleman. I'm a UK guest artist for Goldwell, and today I'm going to be showcasing ghost roots using the colour of the season Vivid Azure on my beautiful model Angie. Vivid Azure is deep and rich in pigment. To create that tone on Angie today, we're going to need to pre-lighten her hair using Oxycur Platin and 6%. Let's get to it. Now that Angie's hair has been lifted, we'll be creating colour of the season Vivid Azure. We'll be using Elumen to create these shades. For the ghost root, we'll be using TQ at all and GB at 9, and to enhance the colour on Angie's ends, we'll be using NB at 4. Blue has maintained its enduring popularity as the most beloved colour throughout history. Blue possesses a universal appeal, transcending age and gender boundaries. Vivid Azure ushers us into a new realm of colour. While striking this intense and powerful hue maintains a sense of balance and harmony, and its inherent cooling properties have a soothing effect. Creativity flourishes at the core of this dynamic blue, showcased in deep and rich pigment. Its sharp coolness carries subtle undertones of green, adding a unique dimension to this innovative shade. So here's what you've been waiting for, my finished result of colour of the season, Vivid Azure. I used a ghost roots technique on Angie's hair, and I don't know about you, but we are absolutely loving it. Don't forget to tag us in your creations of colour of the season, Vivid Azure. And if you want to see more content like this, like, comment and subscribe. We'll see you soon.